wa barakatuhu. The peace and blessings of God be upon you. Welcome to the Words Make People YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is dedicated to preserving the great legacy of Islam that began with our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam over 1400 years ago, and especially the rebirth of Islam in America that began in the 1930s by W Deen Mohammed and his student, the Honorable Elijah Muhammad, who was formerly known as Elijah Poole, and his wife, Sister Clara, who introduced him to Master Farad Muhammad, and especially to their son, Imam W Deen Mohammed, or Wallace D. Muhammad, who is the leader for over 2 billion Muslims in America and around the world. So this is dedicated to preserving that great history of every soldier who fought to establish the Nation of Islam, the lost found Nation of Islam in the West. And every soldier who persevered through the transition to the new Islam, a new understanding of Islam as brought by Imam W Deen Mohammed. And we respect those brothers who couldn't make the transition, but who gave a great sacrifice for the establishment of Islam in America. So this challenge for educational purposes is for preserving the history of Islam in America, and especially in the African American community, as we continue to work to build the vision of not only the Honorable Elijah Muhammad and Master Farad Muhammad and Sister Clara, but also the vision of their son, Imam W Deen Mohammed. We want schools, we want hospitals, we want all the economic development that the Honorable Elijah Muhammad wanted, with the spiritual insight and enlightenment of the Qur'an as brought by his son. So we hope you enjoyed the videos. If you like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon you and his mercy.
Today, on this February 25, I didn't say 25th, on this February 25, 2007, our north with our valence is as a fertile field being plowed for a soon abundant harvest in moral excellence and economic life increase. I promise you that. And God has authorized me to promise you that, whether you know it or not, whether you believe it or not. Mr. Farad, he built a temple that's not to be seen as a physical thing or a material thing. It's to be seen as a construction in the soul of the human being. And he has put in it the wisdom and the purity of the Kaaba. Because actually understood correctly, the Kaaba is in the human soul. The real Kaaba is in the human soul. That's why when you go there and bow, who are you bowing to? Are we making sajda to Allah? No. Allah said to the angels, make sajda to Adam. That is the original essence and construction he wants in the human soul. Every human soul. That's why all of us are the children of Adam and Adam. All of us are the children of Abraham and Abraham. All of us are the children of Muhammad and Muhammad, whether you know it or not. Then God says to us in our holy book, believers, save your own souls and your families from hell's exploding fiery passions. I know what it says. It says nar. But God has blessed me to know to see this fire. And I know it's more than just fire. It's not the fire that you get when you put that stoker coal in the furnace. No, it's not that. It's the fire you see in the public lust. Huh? Lust for sex and fun. That's the fire. That's the hell. He empowered the human soul and intellect to achieve transcendency. Transcendency. We are marching, marching up the King's Highway. We are marching, marching, marching all the day with our Savior, the universal King. Up the highway. We are ascending because we have been conditioned by a master teacher, WD-40. Huh? He has conditioned our soul, our sensitivities, our human sensitivity. He has conditioned our intellect. He has conditioned our essence, our valence, our taqwa and our fujur. He has conditioned it to ascend. So they knew the Nation of Islam. This was immediately after I became leader. And as soon as the news hit the media that the son of Elijah Muhammad, Wallace D. Muhammad, had become the leader of the Nation of Islam, I received from the International Society of Metaphysics an invitation to join them. An invitation to join them. Now the ones sent that invitation, I see them now as angels. Angels in men. Angels saying, let us take this new child and bring him into our society and prepare him to be a great, successful leader. We see that whoever gave them that language knew the language of metaphysics. So we would like to take this new leader and prepare him for his future. Allah wouldn't let my spirit go that way. I never answered them. And angels don't follow you up when you turn them down. They know why, and they leave you to your own spirit. And I thank them for being angels.